It is friggin' freezing. Tried to go out. Yeah, it's wind. Tried to go out flounder fishing today at the inlet, but got halfway to the ramp. The truck freaking low oil pressure, blah blah blah. So I just turned around, came home. Didn't want to blow my engine up just yet, so guess I'm gonna go over to my pond by my house, see how it's doing. Maybe try to catch some minnows to feed all the bass in there, and maybe see if there's some bass that are hungry in this freaking subarctic weather here in Florida. Not really. It's probably only like 50 something, 58 degrees, but whatever. I'm gonna walk over there and I'll bring y'all with. You lazy bums. Jeez, where's your brother? Being lazy somewhere too. I'm just gonna bring one hook with me. So I'm just tying a freaking whatever knot this is. Basically a uni, but wrap it 8 times. 7, 8 times. Pretty bummed. I was pretty looking forward to going out flounder fishing because they're probably biting pretty good right now. This cold front. And I don't know what I want to use. That? White? What color? I'll go with that guy. Actually, I'll probably just bring this whole thing. But I'm going to put this on, walk over there, and see you on the way. I'm going to look in the canal, see if I can find any minnows that I can get. We can put in that pond for them bass to eat. Oh man, that wind's blowing right to us. Freaking cold. Them chickens look cold. Oh shit. Shot him. Sorry, dumb like that. Oh, coming back around. At least that'll give me good practice for when I do go duck hunting. Ooh, there's some minnows down there. Oh yeah. Bunches of minnows. Have to go minnow hunting here later. Always watch for moccasins. Because them moccasins don't give a shite. They'll bite you. Now let's go weedless. Freaking bait don't even want to mold. Lovely. Sorry if y'all aren't at a good angle yet. Should be alright. It's freaking cold. This is not fun. And I got a feeling I'm going to do something stupid and make myself even colder when I go to catch some minnows for these guys. Ooh, that's a fish. And of course it gets stuck in a plant. Seen him waking up behind it. He wanted it. Switch to something. Hopefully they like that a little better. And it stays a little more weedless, but we'll see. Yeah, this thing's hopping over lily pads a lot better. See how it gets through those freaking sweet. Oh man, see how this goes. That should be a nice cast. And I'm trying to be quiet because there's somebody right there watching TV. And I'm pretty sure that sign over there says no fishing, but I've never been to that side, so I'm not trying to get kicked out of, I call this my pond, so I'm not trying to get kicked out of my own pond. Although they shouldn't complain because I'm not doing anything wrong really. Pretty sure that was a hit I just missed. Of course. Definitely got that plant. Come on. Looks a little funky. Let's get funky. Get funky. Get funky. Get right. So the only thing I don't really like about this lure compared to the other one is it's got this fork tail, so at least the paddle tail, when I'm not moving it or anything, it's actually doing something. That paddle's just wiggling around. But this one seems to be hopping over the weeds a hell of a lot better. There's a big fish right there. Pretty much perfect. Damn it. Why? I really don't like this pond. I do like this pond, but I don't like this pond. I'll make one more cast right in here. Scooch it a bit down. God. Ooh, eat it, eat it, eat it. Oh, I missed him. Jesus Christ, I'm a rookie. Oh, what a rookie, what a rookie. Yanked it right out of his mouth. I will catch bass before that sun goes down. It really would be in their best interest to do that ASAP, because then I go get them minnows. So the one thing that kind of stinks about fishing here right now is it's cold. You want to work your bait slow as possible, because then fish are pretty lethargic. And the slower you work your bait in this lily pad, the more it's getting caught up in the crap. So kind of sucks, but it is what it is. About to put on my waders and freaking oop. Oh, are you freaking kidding me? What the hell? Broke me off. What? What? Let's try this again. Pretty cool looking sunset over there. Yonder. So a lot of times when you get a hit on the fall, if you just watch your line, you'll see it pop. That's the fish. Poof. Snagging it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, really? Sweet. Finally got one. Little guy. Looks pretty healthy. Got some minnows I've been giving him and helping out. Pretty stoked. Another fish right there. And that's why you always reel your, work your lures in all the way to the edge. It's real nice with this super calm water. See that lure or the line pop if it's fish hits. I think I'll only take a couple more casts and I'm gonna go try to get some minnows for these guys. I'm sure they're hungry. Alright, come on, fish. One more, and I'll go get you some food. All right. Thanks, buddy. Another nice little healthy one. Since my lure is almost dead, I'm gonna make one more cast and then I'm gonna go get these guys some minnows. So hopefully we can make one more fish happen. And that's all she wrote, folks. That's all she wrote. See you now. This episode is brought to you by Pepsi, because Coke tastes like shit. Changing out the extra tufts for the big boots so I can go walking in the water without getting wet. So I'm gonna engineer my dip net a little bit here. Maybe I can get the minnows from up top. I won't spook them away. I don't know, we'll see. And I don't have to get in the water at all. Last time I did this, little boogers were pretty freaking smart, so Let's see who's smarter. Probably them, but. Whew. Tiny guy, he can go home. Hike down this bank a little bit. It's better than nothing, I guess. This thing on a stick was a freaking great idea. I'm glad I wore my four-wheel drive boots. Big old fatty. Fatty McFat. Let's go get these buggers. I don't freaking see anything. One little tiny guy in there, but that was it. Stealth mode. Got him. Maybe the same one that was still in the net. Ooh, there's Fatty. Fatty, you gonna get eaten. Oh shit, didn't see you either. Sounds like there's a gator coming up behind me. Punch that gator in the face. See if I can sneak up on these over here. Alright, now we're back on the road again. Up and over. Down and around. Whew. I hate when it's cold out. Freaking put clothes on, you get hot. Right now I'm sweating, hurts to breathe. Oh well, do whatever for the fishes, right? Alright, we're getting close. A lot of these people have lights on, so I'm gonna come in stealth. Sucks, there's so much freaking chrome. See that light come on, spooked me a little bit. There you go.